Hi, I'm Kelly Matthews, and I'm a fourth grade teacher at Steele Elementary, and I can't wait to share with you The World According to Humphrey. The World According to Humphrey is a great story about a hamster named Humphrey who is joining room 26. Mrs. Mack, the substitute teacher, purchases Humphrey to help the students in room 26 learn to care for another species. And in doing so, hopefully they'll learn a little bit about themselves. My students loved this book. Their favorite part was learning about how a hamster might view humans and how he would then talk about the care and raising of humans. So one of my favorite parts of the book is when Humphrey went to visit Soye and got to experience what her life was like at home and why she never spoke in the classroom. And he learns that she is a non-English speaker, or she's a second language English speaker, and her mom doesn't speak English hardly at all. And so Humphrey helps her learn English by allowing the mom to talk to him. And the one thing I thought would be a great transition into the classroom is to have the students learn how to say hello in a lot of different languages. I think that bringing that multicultural piece in would be great. And I think it would be fun for students to experience having to learn another language, even if it's just hello and how are you. One thing for the younger grades, because this is such a cool book to use for different grades, I think it fits with so many grades, is having the students maybe take home a stuffed animal or something that fits that. And they actually write in a notebook pretending to be that stuffed animal. And you could have that stuffed animal go home with different families and kind of emulate what was happening with Humphrey when he got to visit all of the classmates in room 26. Because this book is talking about hamsters and he mentions his hamster cage quite a lot, I think it would be a great STEM activity if students would get certain supplies and they would have to create a castle for Humphrey. And then they would have a chance to include all of the parts that Humphrey talks about that his cage needed in order to make it feel cozy. One great lesson would be to try to determine what breed of hamster Humphrey is. And I think it would be great to have students try to do almost a hunt to find out what breed of hamster they think Humphrey is, and then convince their classmates using Flipgrid on why they believe that is the breed that Humphrey is, and how they were able to tell what characteristics of Humphrey's personality or physical appearance led them to believe that. I love that this book is part of a series because it brings students a chance to really get to know these characters really well, and it makes them feel very comfortable when they move on to the second and third and fourth book, and pretty soon they've read the entire series. This book is great for teaching point of view, multiple perspectives, understanding differences and friendships in the classroom, and I think it would be a great addition to your library.